In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an image smaller in Mailchimp. So first, let's create our email. Head on over to email and then click on design email. Okay, so after that, let's head on over to content so that we can design the content of our email. Just click on design email. Then for me, I'll be using a template, which is simple text. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add an image to the email. Then let's just browse an image from the existing image that we have. So for example, I'll be inserting this image. So now, in order for us to resize this email, make it smaller, you will see when you hover the image or your mouse rather in the image, you will see that it highlights the image and you will see this small circle. So just drag it and you will be able to resize the image how small or how big you want it. And that's about it. That's how to make an image smaller in Mailchimp. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.